say new video. Okay, I've been out of it for too long. I can't even talk again. But yeah, me say, boy, so much happened from the last video, doggy. I was supposed to record a video. Well, not record, but I was supposed to post a video, the Christmas video. Like, I didn't really think about recording. What the am I doing? I didn't think about recording a video too much because the Christmas video, that was supposed to be like a collab video, but I didn't know that it wouldn't show on the channel, loggy. So like the channel still looking blank. So I say, you know what, I could just go and ride and I could just record it and post that as a video, because doggy, I like how blank the channel looking there. Honestly, I don't like how blank the channel looking there. But yeah, doggy, so much happened. With new milestones. At the time I recorded that, we just hit 800 subscribers. From the time I recorded the MT07 video, I ain't sure how many subscribers we had then, but we just hit 800 at the time I recorded that. So yeah, me say big up y'all for that one, And doggy, I seen women fighting, so much going on in Lucia too, dog, not just with YouTube. I seen things fighting in call center, uncle falling down. Me say, if y'all know what I'm gonna tell, I'm gonna need to drink some CMOS. I'm gonna need to drink a CMOS, doggy. I'm gonna need to drink a CMOS because I warm up. You can't be falling so. But that video might go all into New Year's too, doggy, because work get busy. So like I don't have time to really go on like a leisure ride to say. Like for me to say, like you see the last time I go January, like I don't have time to do that right now. And doggy, I miss a great collab or feature, I would say, for the channel, doggy. But anyway, Patat have that on his channel, so if you all want to see that, go and watch Patat video for that. My lens on my camera, doggy, that breaky, bro. Dog, I even know how that video will come back. If I come out, I mean, if I go be able to post that, I ain't know, boy, but I just go in with it, bro, because again, I can't have the channel looking so blank for you all there. I don't ride in Crocs, but doggy, don't study me, I'm a mystery, remember that. Ride safe, hey doggy, that is the second man to do that free on the road. Doggy, that man, them, dog.
I vex already, even
over the past couple of days, doggy, I ran into some people there, and bro, I go lie, if I was a more man, I knocked some mirrors already, I go lie. That is the second one today from the time I ride in, well, this afternoon I would say, doggy. A fucking swift. Me say sorry I cussing so much, but a swift swing on me the same way. Oh, and I forget to mention, like I'd start recording for the channel, like even if I wasn't really riding, like I'd start recording for the channel, I feel 3 weeks ago or so. I'd record some clips from when Dirty Matt and Pat at them when I go boss a show. And them time, like, I didn't have the bike yet. The bike was still there, so. And I was working that day too. So I just go and like watch to see what them men are doing. But I feel like we'll just put them clips in there, so y'all could see that.
Them violate and you know go man, them not take defeat. All the tip up in the car, just make them face delete. Blins me head cheap. My dog sick, put a hole in them granny and fun young. They made a lick up a rifle and laser beam. Tell them what on this for team. The time meant for kill, me hunting for real. Dog, 9mm ammo, magazine full of hollows. Dark man dark like shadow. Tell them boy we go all bout. Goblins evil na bombo. Movie sing coulda stress the rambo. Them no man sick like Pablo. Man got you with some banknotes. Chop man chop, rifle a beat and dark man.
Yeah, that man going in and get a little strength to put up the 10 area there. Yeah, even going now. Hurt it. Check that man doing the pull up with his. I'm doing the pull up with his necky doggy. I'm doing that with his necky.
You have to drop your arms here, sir. Drop it, yeah.
Yeah, but that's moving out. Hey. Hey, hurt it. Hey, that's jump in real quick because I realized I didn't really say what I was doing next. So from here, I feel I could jump to the New Year's clips because that video is basically what happened over the last 3 weeks. I don't post anything because I've been so busy with work and how much other trial as single thing. So yeah, I go talk too much. No long talk, no long story. We go get straight into the New Year's part of the video. Boom. Dirty match. Check that one, I'm gonna flat it like them healthy now. I'm gonna see the vlog in there.
Yeah, me see. I'm gonna new video. Yeah, what I'm saying? I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. I know and I know that I can both. Django lover, now you rush your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, Timbani cat you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want.
me say them on the bottle jump. Yeah, that on the bottle jump.
Yeah, I'm about to jump. Yeah, now, full suit.
Came to call.
Came to call.
That's how big friend we jumping, you know. Is better than you. No, we jumping after the
You're jumping up the front.
I can't swim. Watch them, Tyler. We jumping off the front, yes, sir. Huh? We jumping off the front. What the f***? Why bring on that boat, yes, sir?
Man, check that man. Big man like you. Big man like you, guys, sir. That man will be right by shore. That one putting a life jacket on him. Check that. Max, jump there. Max, jump. Max. What's you reeling them up? Hey, he's all up. Hey.
Check out my give a fellas whole program.
Exactly. That man wet, I dry. Cold.
Always lead, always lead, yeah?
Man's not hot.
The man give the fellas. That man fall.
Hold on there. I'm not cold.
Are you feeling them up? It's all up.
Go pull up the boat, huh? Jump.
Check that man wet. I tried, okay, me say. When fellas give you program, me say, don't take program. Hour. Don't take program. That man wet and cold. I tried.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
3, 2, 1.
He's all up.
Oi, where your life jacket? Where your life jacket?
Hey, yes.
All program.
All program.
Say forget to be. Yeah, you know interview there. Serious.
Yeah, I did.
What for the day?
What for the year?
What for the year?
Surround yourself with people that want to do better and also better than them.